Hello guys, welcome to another video on SuperWP channel. Like I told you, we are on our third video. We are going to learn how to install these plugins on our e-commerce for smartphones shop. My first video, we learned how we can build these and we can build a smartphone shop using e-commerce or WordPress. So now this is what we are going to do. Starting from one, we search, then we install. We search, we install. So just search like this, and let's install our plugin. I said we were going to go through the step-by-step guide, but since we have so many plugins lined up, I think let's first finish installing these plugins, and once we are done, we will now do the step-by-step guide for each of these plugins. So once we are done with the paper one, let's close this and let's head over to the Stripe. Click on add new and hit search. So this is the plugin we are looking at, but this one and this one, we are going for this, but then this one has 134 ratings, this one has 169 ratings, and this one has 5 stars, whilst the one by WooCommerce also has 3 stars. Guys, let's install the one that has 5 stars. Okay. Once we are done, let's activate our plugin. Like I said, the individual step-by-step guide will be done once we are done with this installations. So let's continue. I'll close this tab and move on to the next one. We have MailChimp for WooCommerce. Upload the plugin here. PayPal, calm down. We are going to do your settings for you. So let me just click on this close button to remove it from here so that it doesn't disturb us. No, we are not uploading. We are searching, guys. I'm sorry. We are searching. We are not uploading. So let me just hit here. So this is it. This is it right here, right here. So let's just install this one, activate it. Then we'll take time and go through the various settings individually. So we have it here. You need a MailChimp account to use this. A MailChimp also gives you 1,000 free subscribers, but we'll come back and do all the various settings later. Let's go back into the adding the next plugin. And our next plugin on the list is customer reviews for WooCommerce. Oh, why do I like clicking on upload plugin? I know I've not taught you that. That's why it's worrying me. I'll teach you how to upload plugins, but we'll talk about that one later. Install now. I'm hoping none of these plugins break our site, but if it breaks, at least you've seen what I'm trying to do. I'll pause it, fix it, and we can now get back. Let's go to add new. Let's close this one. Go to Booster for WooCommerce, or you can call it WordPress e-commerce. So let's search for our plugin here and install now. Okay, let's activate it. Plugin is activated. So let's go to the add new once again. We are going to close this. I know it's taking time, but guys, have patience. because we are doing a step-by-step guide and we need to go through all the various steps in what we are doing. We don't need to skip any steps. So watch me as I install the various plugins. Then I also show you how to set them up perfectly on your site. We already have this one, so that's good. Let's move on to the next. Let's search for this. Let's paste in our keyword here. So there's it. I'm going to install it and activate it. Once done, let's hit add new and move on to the next one. There's another plugin in the list that also helps us add Google Analytics. So I believe we should also skip this one. So let's skip it. Variation swatches here. I'm going to copy it and let's paste this one and install it. Install now and activate it. Good. Good one there. Add new once again. Where are we? Fibo search. So we are looking for this one, Fibo search. Let's search for this plugin. So there's it. Install now and activate it. It's been activated. Like I said, the various settings, we'll come back to them later on. So click on let's search. So close this and go to Google listings and ads here. And let's paste it here. Then click on install. We are also going to install this plugin. So let's also install it anyway, right? But if I also click on activate, it's going to take me off here. Sorry guys, you have to come back later and do this one. Pixel Manager for WooCommerce, because it's in the list. Is this plugin? That's why I skipped the Google Analytics for WooCommerce plugin. But it has everything. So we don't need to install two separate plugins to do one work for us. So I'm going to search and let's hit install here. And let's activate our plugin. Okay, so once we are done with this, let's click on add new here. What do we have? We have the smart coupons. Nice. Our WooCommerce also needs coupons. And this one is way better than the default coupons from WooCommerce. So let's install it to give us better functionalities and features. Click on admin here. Let's go up. Advanced product fields. Let's search for it. Install now and activate. We have advanced shipment tracking for WooCommerce here. Add new right here. And let's search for it. And install it. Activate. Let's close this. What do we have next? We have the related products for WooCommerce. One may ask, do you need to install these plugins on your WooCommerce site? No, the answer is a big no. You don't need 20, 30 plugins on your WordPress site. In fact, more plugins will even slow down your site. But every plugin has its functions. So all the plugins I've showed you, if you believe your site or your shop needs it, then install it. There are some, they'll do a one-time work for you. You can install it, do the one-time work, then disable them. Whilst others, you need to also keep them activated on your site. But please don't try to install 20, 30, 50 plugins on one WordPress site. It's not advisable. This is just a training. That's why I'm showing you some of my favorite WooCommerce plugins and how they work and how you can set them up. That doesn't mean install everything on your site. No, it doesn't mean that. Free follow-up emails. So let's add that one also. So now and activate. Okay, so the next thing, this is it. But since we didn't install, let's go in and install it. Let's go to add new. Give me the thumbs up if you are getting value out of this video, and don't forget to also like and share with your friends. And please, I need your subscription. Keep subscribing. Once you watch this video, you subscribe. It means a whole lot to me. So keep subscribing. Let's activate our plugin and let's move on to the next one. Cart flows, my favorite. I just love this plugin. I love this so much. Where is the plugins? Add new, and let's search and install now. Activate. Okay, let's add new. We have the cart abandonment recovery. Activate. Let's move on to the next one. Back in stock notifier, another great plugin. Let's add new here. For example, you wouldn't need Stripe payment and PayPal payment and crypto, all of them at the same time. Maybe you can use PayPal with crypto payment, or you can use Stripe with crypto payment. I don't think you should be using so many. So yes, I'm showing you these plugins, but it doesn't mean install everything on your site, except those performing some very specific functions. You shouldn't install everything I'm showing you today on your e-commerce site, guys. Don't. And don't say SuperWP advised you to install these plugins. No, I didn't. I'm just showing you some of the best plugins out there, their functions, and why you need them. If you think you need all, install all. Let's activate this one also. and move on to the next. We are almost done. We are left with just 3. So guys, finish hard. Let's finish hard. And I'm grateful that you are still with me here. You are still watching this video. I'm very grateful. Means you are enjoying this video. So why don't you like it? After that, you also subscribe to the channel. Because if I'm giving you value, it's your like and your subscription that will let me know you like what I'm doing, and I'll always come your way with more videos, more valuable videos like this. Okay, let's search the Ymail and let's install it. Okay, let's close this. Finally, our crypto checkout plugin. So we are done, guys. We are finally done with installing the various plugins. So the next step is we are going to set them up. But since this video is getting quite long, I'm going to stop here. Then individually, I'll pick each plugin. Then I'll do videos giving you step-by-step guide on how each plugin you should set it up for it to work better for you. So I'm hoping you subscribe to this channel so that you will see the other videos on how to set up each of these plugins up. Thank you so much, and I will see you later in my next video.